Ghosting is not okay.
Oh,
It's
God.
really not
I
okay.
don't like this answer.
I
want
want
to throw
to you. Communicate, guys. You're sitting in a radio station communicating, reaching mass general audience.
And my parents were like, please, just don't even try. Sometimes after dark, people would arrive or people would leave.
A
Seems
man
like guy.
who's
Husband.
Husband.
Oh,
I'm sorry, sir. I know. It's yours. Oh
I
God,
also
yeah.
want to
Guys,
have-
can we just skip me?
I want to do your green flag.
Let's skip to the good part. And actually, the sad part is I couldn't see red for red. But I don't know for what stupid reason I only saw green.
green.
I pretend like I'm chill.
Yeah, even I.
What bhoot, what creepy.
Yeah.
जब अंदर से फटी पड़ी है.
That is really
Conversation.
scary. That's the scariest thing anybody has ever said to me.
Hi guys, welcome to the Superwomania show. मैं हूँ स्तुति and we are very excited for Chori 2. Therefore, the two Choris are here. Soha Ali Khan, Nusrat Bharucha, welcome to the Superwomania show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
अच्छा एक segment खेलेंगे हम. It's called Ghost or Dost. Okay.
You want to
Here
either
the-
ghost this person or make him a dost.
हाँ, ghost in a very Gen Z sense या दोस्त. ठीक है, तो वो ex जो genuinely बड़ी माफिया मांग रहा है आपसे, आपका गट कह रहा है कि ये तो नहीं बदलेगा. ये ghost करोगे, दोस्त बनाओगे.
मैं दोस्त बनाऊंगी.
मैं तो बना चुकी हूँ पास में.
But गट कह नहीं रहा कि वो
मैं इस पूरे का आंसर एंड में दूंगी. अब खत्म कर लो पहले. मैं दोस्त बनाऊंगी.
बंदा genuinely प्यार करता है, okay? लेकिन emotionally unavailable है. Feelings हैं, पर फिर नहीं है, फिर वो busy हो जाता
Ghost,
है.
ghost, ghost.
मैं दोस्त.
यार ये I don't know what Nusrat is up to.
There is a punchline, guys. I'm
You
a
are colorblind.
punchlama girl for
You
a
are
girl for a
colorblind.
reason.
You don't
Babes,
know
hold on.
green from
Hold
red.
on. Next. मैं दोस्त बनाऊंगी. Next.
Okay. That one bestie, a girl bestie or a guy bestie जो हमेशा brutally honest है, इतने honest कि वो बुरा भी लग सकता है जो वो बोल रहे हैं.
हाँ, दोस्त.
दोस्त.
एक लड़का जिसने कभी चीट नहीं करा या एटलीस्ट आपने नहीं पकड़ा, बट बहुत सारी फीमेल फ्रेंड्स हैं.
दोस्त बनाऊंगी.
हाँ, दोस्त. मैं भी दोस्त बनाऊंगी. ठीक है, लड़का लड़की दोस्त बन सकते हैं.
एक बंदा जो हर एंगल से ग्रीन फ्लैग है, बट दिल कह रहा है कि कुछ ऑफ है.
मैं दोस्त बनाऊंगी.
आपके बहुत दोस्त हैं. हाँ?
बहुत.
Okay.
आंसर.
I will give try. No, दोस्त.
दोस्त एक जो बड़े बड़े सपने दिखा रहा है कि बेबी शादी करेंगे ये वो, बट दोस्तों से नहीं मिलवा रहा.
मैं दोस्त
मैं तो
बनाऊंगी.
तंग आ गई.
You tell me when this is over. Then I will give you my answer.
Okay.
Ghost.
Ghost. एक फ्रेंड जो हर लो फेज में आपके साथ है, बट वैसे 24/7 अवेलेबल नहीं है. If you are
वो मैं हूँ.
genuinely
Guys, वो मैं हूँ.
मैं भी
लो
वही
फेज
हूँ
में
वैसे.
साथ.
But दोस्त of course.
जब जरूरत पड़े मैं हूँ, नहीं तो मैं फोन कभी नहीं उठाऊंगी.
Exactly.
Okay,
Same.
okay.
Same.
That one friend जो एक एक पैसे का हिसाब रखता है.
मैं दोस्त बनाऊंगी.
अच्छा, ये बोली मैं किसी को जज नहीं करती हूँ.
Cut copy.
सब
wait,
अगर
don't-
ऐसा कोई
don't-
जवाब
don't-
दिया
guys,
नुसरत.
stop it. Don't go to assessing my answers. I'll give it to you in the
okay,
end.
But it's
okay,
हाँ.
okay.
मैं दोस्त बना लूँगी.
Really
ठीक है,
like कंजूस
हाँ.
type.
हाँ, ठीक है, कैसे होते हैं.
Okay.
Is your list over?
बोलो ना.
Now I can say. Listen, guys, I want to say this for everybody, and I'm genuinely meaning it.
You'll be
Ghosting is not okay.
Oh,
It's
God.
really not
I
okay.
don't like this answer.
I
want to
want
throw
to
the-
to you.
I
It's- no,
don't
one
like
second,
this.
one second. I seriously
But
want to say
she's
this.
not meaning disappear on someone. She's
No,
saying
I
उसको
mean-
अपनी लाइफ से निकाल
Like,
दो.
it was a
No, I get it, but I still want to tell everybody. ये सारे situations
I feel ये
life
बहुत ही
में-
personal है.
अरे
कि तुम्हारे साथ कुछ हुआ
नहीं,
है.
मेरे साथ भी मुझे बहुत ही गंदा लगता है. कोई और भी करता है तो ये जितने सिचुएशंस है लाइफ में, ये सारे एक बहुत ही प्रैक्टिकल स्किल से सॉर्ट हो सकते हैं. वो है कम्युनिकेशन, जो घोस्टिंग का ऑपोजिट है.
अरे यार.
सो डू नॉट घोस्ट एनीबॉडी. कॉल देम एंड टॉक टू देम एंड टेल देम ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये है, ये है, ये है.
चलो, कान
मैं
पकड़ो.
आगे बट आई एम गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू बिहेविंग लाइक दिस विथ यू इन दिस सेटअप. आई होप दैट्स ओके विथ यू. Communicate, guys. You're sitting in a radio station communicating, reaching mass general audience. Do not tell them to ghost people. Do not ever ghost anyone. It's not cool.
ये जो आपने एक मोनोलॉग दिया है.
I'm telling you.
पंचनामा ghost.
I'm telling you, it's a very bad thing.
Here we
It's
go.
traumatic, guys. I feel it. I'm sorry.
Guys, ghosting is bad. Don't ghost anyone. Always communicate. It's very important.
Some red flags
बोल
need
दो
to
ना.
be ghost.
Okay, listen.
Have you
I don't like this behavior and I don't like this. So hence, I will not be talking to you.
Have you ever allowed
Yeah.
anyone?
दोस्त क्यों बोला है सबने?
दोस्ती में तो बोलूंगी ना ये.
Have you ever
बोल
allowed
के.
anyone to ghost you?
Allowed? What
मतलब
is that?
कि-
What do you mean? I'm sorry, that person be murdered, stabbed to death. I'll do jail time for it.
Two sisters and a brother. How is it growing up? with Saif? Was he like the elder brother who was very overprotective, or he just let you be?
No, he was the elder brother, but he
Yeah.
was not overprotective. He was the one who got into trouble his whole life. He was the
Yeah.
one who was breaking the few rules that we had. He would break.
So you guys automatically became the good kids.
I tried. I bunked one economics class, and that was like the worst thing that I did. And my parents were like, "Please, just don't even try." Then I inherited his bedroom when he
Yeah.
moved to Bombay, and they would not let me sleep there. They said, it can be your day room, but like
Why
used to,
ki influence na hai?
हाँ कि मतलब कि he used to jump out of the room at night,
Oh.
and you know like sometimes after dark people would arrive or people would leave or something. So they were like, no, you look like him, you look like him. So we're not taking that chance. So we had to I had to sleep in the room between like my parents and my sister.
It's too funny.
But that was my day room.
You know, इस March से हमने शुरू किया the Superwomania Green Flag Edition, where we said we'll also speak to the men, our male allies, of course approved by the Superwomanias. Is there a green flag in your life?
Means like
A
Green
man
flag guy.
who's
Husband.
oh,
I'm sorry, Fernando. It's your answer.
let me just think about this.
husband, brother, best friend, कोई भी.
Actually, like a green flag man.
Yeah.
I want to say my husband because now I feel like I
Yeah,
have
yeah,
to.
you have to,
because
this pressure,
Nushit is a husband. So, of course, Kunal, I mean, is...
No, sir, you said it like a typical. अरे पति का नाम लो और किसका लोगे?
हाँ, मतलब अगर वो नहीं होते तो फिर
no, I swear, for me, it
बिल्कुल
comes.
फूफा वाला जवाब था ये.
No, listen. For me, it comes from the fact that if you've chosen to get married to someone after a certain age, not like कि 20 साल में 25 साल में,
मतलब कि खुशी किया होगा.
हाँ,
उसमें कुछ
और
होगा.
time लेके किया
हाँ,
होगा.
तो सोच समझ के किया
Yeah,
होगा.
I know, but it was too. Husband, खत्म करो जवाब.
No, but it is unfortunately it is a boring response. But I have to say two. One is husband, one is father.
Yeah.
Because really, father being the original man, I really think he broke the mold.
Yeah.
And he was the coolest person in the world.
Yeah.
And then I'm very lucky to have met
Pati.
a green flag, and you know he's the wind beneath my wings.
Aww.
So cool. But आपकी green flag.
Oh
I
God,
also
yeah.
want to
Guys,
have-
can we just skip me?
I want to do a green flag.
Let's skip to the good part.
Okay, tell us a little
I
about
don't
the
know
red
when.
flag.
Yeah.
I think, okay, come on, leaving the father and the brothers aside,
Yeah.
they've obviously, actually my brothers have been quite a strong, because I'm the only child, you look for it in your cousins and
Yeah.
your extended friends, which has been, touchwood, good. Apart from that, they've only been red friends. And actually the sad part is I couldn't see red for red. But I don't know for what stupid reason I only saw green.
Green. Watermelon. ना बाहर से green, अंदर से red.
मैं कहा कहाँ है red? नहीं है. थे.
I think we have to do a watermelon
Hey.
edition as well. कि बाहर से green दिख रहा है.
अंदर से red.
अंदर से पूरा red था. Oh shit.
Never have I ever खेलेंगे.
हाँ ये खेल सकते हो.
Never have I ever gotten genuinely scared while shooting a horror scene film. Is it Chori? Is it Chori 2?
Yeah, Chori 1, of course.
But not when shooting horror. When shooting like a romantic.
Actually, when you're shooting horror, it's funny, right? I'm assuming.
No, it's not. It's damn scary. Those
No, it's
खेत,
scary. Those
my God.
places to
गन्ने
shoot
के
are
खेत.
dark and dusty, and you need your torch to see where you're going. And you know, कभी-कभी एक अकेला चप्पल दिखता है, and you're like, where's the rest of the person?
Never have I ever had to sleep with the lights on after watching a horror film.
I have.
But also, I will not watch a horror film. I don't know which
Oh,
one the answer is.
you-
I will
yeah.
not watch a horror film at bedtime.
I have. I put on all lights and sleep if I watched a horror film in the night.
Which
I
is your
do-
favorite horror film abhi tak?
From Hindi, I think like 100 Days and Bhoot are up there.
Yeah.
From English, there are many, but maybe Conjuring, also Insidious, also so many.
Yeah, there are lots. Raat, starting with Revati ma'am.
Oh,
Raat.
okay.
बिल्कुल नींद नहीं आती.
Never have I ever faked being okay with a creepy location when I was not.
Yeah, I have. I pretend like, I'm chill.
Yeah, even I have. I think.
What bhoot, what creepy.
Yeah.
जब अंदर से फटी पड़ी है.
Yeah.
I can't sit
Then I'm
there.
like,
alone.
Bharti idhar aao. Bharti was my hairdresser. मेरे साथ सो आज.
Okay, never have I ever had a weird dream during a shoot that felt just too real. A scary dream
I have,
or
I
weird.
have. I have nightmares.
I haven't.
Yeah, achha, this is a byproduct of doing a horror.
Yeah, because you're constantly surrounding yourself with stories and then पता नहीं by default लोग आजू बाजू भी horror stories बोलते रहते हैं. मैंने कहा okay और दिमाग में बैठ गया.
Never have I ever had a real horror experience. Anything supernatural.
Actually, I have, but I don't know if
I
that's
mean, I also don't know if it was
super-
supernatural.
Yeah.
There's always, sometimes there's a logical explanation for everything.
Yeah, this one didn't have one. I don't know if there was a ghost or
Yeah.
I didn't see it. Hotel room में बैग एक ऐसे रखी थी हार्ड टॉप मैंने वो क्या होता है वो बैग रैक पे और सडनली विदाउट लाइक अ बैंग और व्हाटएवर साउंड द बैग ऊपर से ऐसे जो रखी थी वो नीचे जमीन पे ऐसे थी ऐसे ही खुली थी और उसमें सिर्फ 2 चीजें बाहर थी. मतलब अगर गिरेगी भी तो पूरे गिरेगी और सब कुछ बाहर आएगा, और ये 2 ही चीज बाहर थी और ऐसे थी नीचे. तो मैं नाइट ड्रेस में ही लॉबी में भाग के घर आ गई. मैं कहा नॉट इवन गोइंग टू यूज द बैग टू चेंज क्लोथ्स. आई एम लीविंग.
Keep the bag.
Keep it.
Never have I ever had a crush on a friend's boyfriend or husband.
My friends don't have very decent boyfriends or husbands.
Never have I ever gone on a crash diet, a fat diet to lose tons of weight.
Of course I have.
I've never dieted.
I have. Oh God.
You were so jealous, naturally gifted.
No, I never like eat unhealthy food.
No. Listen, when they
It's just
ask you
lifestyle.
to put on weight to look pregnant,
Yeah.
Yeah.
or they ask you to put on weight to look a certain character, and then after 2 months, 3 months of
Correct.
you eating
Yeah.
and looking like that, suddenly they
Yeah.
tell you, oh, गाने shoot कर रहे हैं. मैंने कहा क्या? Lose the weight. मैंने कहा how many days? 10. I said, are you mad? I'll die. But yeah, you have to do it.
Yeah. Never have I ever Googled myself. Do you Google yourself?
Today, you mean? Today I haven't.
But you do?
Yeah, I do. Of course I do.
I never Google myself.
What?
Come
I
on.
swear to you.
Ev-
I swear to you, I never Google myself. I never Google images of mine. I never go down on my Instagram and check how many likes or what comments are there on my posts even. Twitter तो account मेरे पास है ही नहीं.
Twitter
किसी
तो
और-
खैर अब है ही नहीं.
किसी और के पास है. मैंने कहा आप ट्वीट कर दो, मेरे को नहीं जानना क्या लिखा है.
Do you have a fake Insta
I don't even
account?
read
A Finsta.
Finsta.
reviews. No, I don't have a Finsta.
Does Saif have one? Does the family
I
know?
can say he doesn't.
That's what you're supposed to say.
I can say he doesn't. I can say it in a variety of different ways. He doesn't. He doesn't. He doesn't. He doesn't. He doesn't. He doesn't.
She's right. She's right. Is she?
Doesn't he?
Two talented, beautiful women will not let you go till you reveal one. She looked at you and I said, will
Yeah.
not let you go.
I said, what?
Yeah.
Do we not have another interview? Sorry, it's 2 o'clock, babes.
Okay. One beauty secret or health tip that you would want to share with everyone.
Someone just told me to have, and I've forgotten what it was. One juice that is amazing.
No, what
Enough
you
one.
do.
Huh, so I started doing it for the
Okay,
last 2
okay.
months.
Which
and I
one?
really feel that's what I'm thinking about. वो कौन सा juice है?
Color bata de. They'll drink
White
everything in that
pumpkin
color.
juice.
I've seen the trailer. That's all we can see abhi tak. Release already 11th ko, 11th
जी.
April. Okay, everybody should watch it of
11th
course.
April Prime Video.
ये ज़्यादा डरावनी लग रही है from the previous installment. Is it true?
Of course, I think बनाने का point ही ये था. मैं आपको बताऊं actually आपको ट्रेलर से डरावनी लग रही है because of course that's the point of the film. But जो मुद्दा है that is gotten
Correct.
bigger
Yeah,
and creepier
yeah.
and for me that is more scarier. कि अब तक तो हम वहाँ तक सोच के कर रहे थे that imagine the girl has now पहले तो उसको जीने नहीं दिया जाता है. अगर वो बच गई और बड़ी हुई तो भी एक और social evil practice ready है उसके लिए.
Yeah,
फिर वो और थोड़ी बड़ी होगी तो एक और है.
Yeah,
फिर
yeah.
और बड़ी means it just keeps going on. So it's हमारी पूरी जिंदगी कुछ ना कुछ हम पे किया ही जा रहा है. And we're trying to fight it and we're still trying to get out of it.
We're almost at the end of this. Tell me one thing that you loved about Chori 2, one thing you loved about Chori 2, and we shall end the interview.
One thing I genuinely liked about Chori 2 was us, the team that came back with it, which is Vishal sir, Anshul sir, our DOP, Vikram sir, our entire production team. Suha was a great new addition, but I love the fact that we took the world we celebrated and we enjoyed and we loved being a part of. And that also at a time when COVID was the worst thing that happened to all of us. That one community that we all stayed together when we shot Chori 1.
Yeah.
It, like my ADs, everybody, it felt like I'm so happy I'm with you guys again. I think that for me was the biggest emotional thing for me to do Chori 2.
So there was
the
synergy
memory,
and a
yeah,
lot of
the
positive
people,
vibes.
yeah.
I just think it's wonderful to be a part of like a pure horror film. Like it's like the return
Yeah.
of this genre, and people have spent a lot of thought, energy, money, vision on this to create this. And having seen the film, I'm really proud of it. I'm really proud to be a part of it, and I hope there'll be more.
इतने खुल के बात हो रही है. Thank you so much.
Oh.
Really loving
That
this
is
conversation.
really scary. That's the scariest thing anybody has ever said to me.
Khatam.
कि, oh God,
Tomorrow we're going to get
क्या
PR
headlines आने
mandates.
वाले?
Can you shut your mouth when this question is asked?
Yeah, really.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. You're talking about what is going
Nusrat,
to
can you give
benefit
an
half of mankind.
Nusrat, can you give an answer? No, can you say?
Can you just try saying?